All right, forgot to make an intro, but we used chicken liver and we were aiming for catfish. And we stayed up all night waiting for a bite, and we finally got some good fish, and it was a really fun day. Or night, I guess. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and it was really fun to make it. And make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you at the end. Was that far enough?
Oh yeah, it should be.
Guys, we might have a takedown. Here we go. We heard it once. Maybe not. Till the next one. Down, we got a fish. There we go. Fish, fish, fish. Here we go. Oh, it's a big fish. Holy smokes. It's huge. Holy crap. I'm not sure how big, but it's pulling the drag. Oh, man. Hold up. I gotta call Will. Holy smokes, it's giant. Jeez. It's freaking huge. Oh my gosh. Not sure what it is. I'm pretty sure it's catfish. Could also be an insanely huge carp. Oh man. What is it? It's catfish. Holy smokes. Holy crap, that thing's freaking huge. I don't know if I can land this thing by myself. Will's not here right now. He went up to take a crap. But this thing is freaking monstrous. Holy crap. Ah, it's ripping through my fingers, the braid is. Oh, oh my gosh. It's freaking huge. Look at that thing. Here, let's get him over to the light. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. That is a big fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here, we gotta text Will really quick. Holy smokes. No, not on my phone. Oh, I got fish slime on my phone. Dude. Holy crap. On the GoPro too. That's so sick. Let's go, guys. Alright, we'll get this bad boy unhooked. And yes, sir. Alright, here we go. Here we go.
Yep, big one.
Big one?
Yep.
Okay, okay.
The rod was upside down. I was reeling weird. Yep.
There we go. Oh yeah. That's a good one.
Yep.
Did we got his mouth?
What?
I'm just gonna get his mouth. Got him.
All right.
Alright guys, catfish number 2, let's go. Yeah, Will's got the GoPro on right now. There's that fish. Look at that. Awesome. Alright.
Entrance.
Alright guys, so we haven't gotten any bites, so we're gonna show you what's inside our tents. So this is Will's tent. Say hi, Will.
Hi.
And it looks like he's got a blanket, his shoes,
Sleeping bag,
and a pillow.
shoes.
Yeah, all right. And there's a Will in there too.
Yep.
All right, now we're gonna go check out mine. Mine's a lot bigger because I'm a lot better.
Oh, is that right?
That's right, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, mine's pretty simple. Pillow, blanket, that's all. So yeah, Knuckles.
There you go.
Alright guys, it's like 3:30 in the morning. We're on another decent fish right now. We haven't had a bite all night. So this is a great surprise. Look at that nice catfish. There we go, man. It was... Oh. What time do you think we haven't had a bite until, Will?
I mean, I've been hearing them on and off.
Yeah.
Like little ones, but we've never had one actually hook up.
So it's a nice surprise. We also don't have shoes on. Because
it's hot in the tent.
Yeah. Alright, here, I can take the GoPro.
Here, take your rod so you can...
Yeah. Let me just chuck it on real quick. Oh, he just freaking bit down on my finger.
Nice. That hurts.
Oh, man. Jeez, bud. Alright, look at that fish, guys. Probably one of the better ones of the night. Okay. Now we gotta get the freaking hook out of his mouth. Alright, guys. We got this guy, got the hook out of him. He's probably around 6 or 7 pounds. Beautiful fish. Look at the mouth on him. Yeah. So now we'll go back to bed, wake up in like an hour.
Yeah.
Or just kind of listen. And yeah. So there he goes. Let's go.
Go for it. Yep,
Got him.
That's good.
Oh,
That's a big one.
that feels giant, dude. Oh my gosh.
Dude, he is running everywhere.
Imagine it's a bass.
Dude, I'd fucking freak out. What is that, dude?
Okay, careful. Also, watch language for YouTube.
Oh, you're on YouTube? I didn't know that.
Yeah, I'm recording. It's all good. I'll just bleep it out. Jeez. What the heck is it? Oh my gosh.
Catfish? It snapped it off! That was the biggest catfish I've ever seen in my life.
Dude. What? Why wasn't the drag set?
Dude, that thing is gigantic.
The drag doesn't set.
That thing know it's big if it's playing drag on that reel. I'm sorry, I didn't know you were recording for YouTube.
No way. Of course the freaking drag. He took my hook too, didn't he? Yeah, he took the whole setup. Guess I gotta go with a bait caster now. Oh no, that thing was huge. That pisses me off.
I'm sorry, I didn't know you were recording.
Hey, it's a huge catfish. Here, careful, careful.
Oh god. He's doing a death throw. Oh, it's in his mouth deep.
That's a nice fish.
Yep. Got him. That's a good catfish.
That is good catfish.
I think it might be the same one I caught on that slide that I did.
Yeah.
You know.
Got a bunch of frog eggs on him. Oh, jeez.
He don't like me.
Here's the pliers.
I think he swallowed it.
Alright guys, just caught this big, huge catfish. There we go, on a half a bluegill.
Yep.
Alright, so now we're gonna get a picture and get a release on him. here we go, getting the release. There he goes. Beautiful fish. Time for the outro. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.